We're wrapping up Domain 2, Networking, with Objective 2.8 explaining networking tools and their purposes. Let's check out the essential toolkit for any network technician. First, for making and repairing cables. The Crimper is like a specialized stapler for cables. It securely fastens connectors like an RJ45 onto the end of a twisted pair cable, pushing tiny copper contacts through the wire insulation for a solid connection. Before you crimp, you'll often use a cable stripper. This tool cleanly removes the outer protective jacket of a cable without damaging the inner wires. Think of it as carefully peeling a banana to get to the wires inside. For troubleshooting wireless issues, a Wi-Fi analyzer is your best friend. It's like radar for your Wi-Fi, showing you frequencies and channels in use, signal strength, and any interference. It helps you see if your signal is strong or if it's getting lost in noise. For even deeper dives, a spectrum analyzer can show all radio frequencies in an area. Ever tried to find one specific cable in a tangled mess? That's where a toner probe comes in. It's a two-part tool. A tone generator sends an analog sound down a wire, and an inductive probe listens for that tone on the outside of cables until it finds the right one. It's like playing Marco Polo with your network cables. When you're connecting many cables in a wiring closet, you'll use a punchdown tool. This tool pushes individual wires from a cable into a punchdown block, a large organized terminal. It fastens the wire securely and often trims the excess, making a neat connection. Remember to keep those wire twists all the way to the block to prevent interference. To ensure your newly made cable is wired correctly, use a cable tester. It checks for continuity, ensuring pin 1 on one end connects to pin 1 on the other, and so on, for all pins. It'll tell you if wires are crossed or not connected. What if you suspect a network port on a device itself is faulty, not the cable? That's where a loopback plug comes in. You plug it into a port, and it sends outgoing signals directly back into the port's receive pins. It's like the port talking to itself. If it hears what it said, the port is likely good. Finally, for analyzing network traffic, you might use a network tap or port mirroring. A physical network tap is a hardware device you insert into a live network link to copy all the data flowing through it, like a splitter in a water pipe. This can be disruptive to install initially. Port mirroring, also called span, is a software feature on managed switches. You configure the switch to copy all traffic from certain ports or VLANs to a specific port where your network analyzer is connected. This is non-disruptive and very handy for troubleshooting or security monitoring. Knowing these tools and their purposes will make you a much more effective network technician. That covers the essential networking tools for Objective 2.8. Thanks for joining us at TechVault Academy.